Hi there. In this tutorial, we'll try to learn some interesting options that are present in Data Tools group. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let me begin today's class by typing something. Today we are going to do something interesting, or today we are going to do something. So what I have to do is to click on the first cell and go for text columns. Go for next, next, finish. If you can observe, all of the words that I have typed in just one cell are separated into different sort of cells. So that is something that you can benefit anytime you want. And let me make small sort of table in which I'll be teaching you all of the options that are coming, like flash fill. Let me type something like first name, last name, full name. What I have to do is to type something there like Muhammad Ali. So what I need to tell you is that if you want to bring both of the names like first name and last name, what you have to do is to type the first one Muhammad Ali and select the second one. Go for the flash fill. The rest of the names will be coming there automatically by using the flash fill option. Let me type another name over there, like I may type Hassan Khan. Well, if you can observe, in this list I have typed Hassan twice. I have typed Hassan for 2 times. So what I have to do is to select that and go for remove duplicates. Go with continue with the current selection. Go for remove duplicates. Hit OK. If you can observe there, Hassan is removed there. Let me tell you something about data validation there. Let me tell you all about data validation. What I have to tell you is to select these 6 cells and go for data validation. Go for data validation over there. Go for whole number and type there whatever you want, or whatever you want to give as command. Like for example, I want to give 100. And let's type 200 in the next box. Hit OK. So you have to be observing the place that I have selected, and that command which I have just given will be just working in these 6 cells. Like for example, if I type more or less amounts, like for example 101, that will be working for me. 105, that will also be working for me. But the moment I type 201, that will not be accepted. That can give sort of box and sort of message error alert to me. It is above or beyond the command that you have given. So what you have to be careful with that, you have to be typing in between 100 to 200. Like 150 will be working. Make sure to go at the bottom and select 6 of the cells. Well, that is not the condition whether or not to select 6 of the cells. That depends upon you. Data validation. Go for list. You can type list there, like for example, name of a list or name of anything. Hassan, Ali, Javed, Hasnain. I have typed 4 name in list. hit OK. So all of the list that I have just made will be working in the selected sales. Like for example, if I go there and select Ali, that will be working for me. See, that works. Go at the bottom, select the sales, go for data validation and go for date over there. So now you are free to type and give command of date. For example, if you want to give command of 10 date 10/10/2024 and over there 10/11/2024, hit OK. So what I have to tell you, or what is important, is that you have to be typing the date in between 10 to 11. So 11/10/2024, that will not be accepted. Or I may say 10/10/2024, that will be working, but 10/15/2024 will not be accepted. So that is the reason that you have to be typing just 10 to 11. Try to select these cells, go for data validation and go there for time. Well, I want to give time 6 o'clock as command, or 5 o'clock as command, 5 to 5:30, hit OK. So what I have to tell you, if you are typing 6 o'clock, that must not be accepted, because you have given time from 5 o'clock to 5:30 as command. If you are typing 5:12, that will be acceptable. Make sure to go at the bottom and select any of the cells. Go for data validation. Text length. I must be typing 5 to 8 letters. So what that tells you, or what that means, is that you have to be typing from 5 to 8 letters whatever you want to type. For example, I'm typing there. If I may type Ali, that will not be acceptable because this is less than 5 letters. Or you can type Ali Ahmad, that will also not be accepted. However, these are 8 letters, but I have given space. You may type Ahmad, that will be working. Hasnain, that will be working. More or less will not be working. So let's try to select that. Go for data validation over there and go for input message, check it off. Also this one, check it off. Whole number, type 100 and over there 500. So now this is something you must understand, that from 100 to 500 will be working, more or less will not be working. So let's try to check it out. Let's try to type 600. See, that works because I have checked off all of the options that through which I was given error alert or sort of message. 150, or you may type 10, 400, 5000 or 90. So what I have to tell you, the reason I have checked off all of the options through which I was given message, because I want to use this option, or I want to teach you this option, circle invalid data, go for this. So now you can see that 600, there sort of circle is made on 600, 10, 5000 and 90. That can tell you, or that means that these values are some things that are not right or that are not accurate. So if you want to remove that, go for circle validation, clear validation circles. Go for that and check it out. I hope you have enjoyed this small sort of tutorial in which you have learned flash fill, remove duplicates and data validation options. Data validation options that are most important. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.